You go to order a drink at a bar, you got options. You go to your local cigar humidor, you got options. So in this video, we're gonna talk about all the different shapes you're gonna find in your local cigar shop. The second category of cigars are known for their unique shapes, and they're called Figurados. Pretty much any cigar that deviates from your typical Parejo, which is that cylindrical shape with the cap at the end, is going to be called a Figurado. There's things like a torpedo, there's things like a bulged Perfecto, there's many different shapes. Let's jump into them. First, the pyramid shape. These cigars measure between 6 and 7 inches in length with a ring gauge between 52 and 54. Pyramid cigars are defined by their pointy edge and are more pointy than any other cigar. What's unique is that it continues throughout the length of the cigar, making it an excellent choice for long smoking sessions. The second shape is the Bellicoso. Bellicoso shapes are typically around 5.5 inches long with a ring gauge of 52/64 of an inch. They're very similar to Robustos, with the biggest difference being that the Bellicoso features a pointed head, while a Robusto traditionally has a more rounded head. A lot of people find that tapering the head of a cigar in a Bellicoso creates a smoother feeling in the mouth. Next up is a Kalubra, and easily one of my favorite cigars. It's just so exotic looking. Kalubras are made by twisting together 3 standard pantellas into a braid-like formation. With the Kalubra, you got options. The first option is you can smoke all 3 at the same time, my personal favorite, or you can unravel the cigars and smoke one each independently. It's kind of hard to find a Kalubra in the first place because they are pretty rare, but if you do find one, it is such a delight and a unique experience to share with your cigar-loving friends. Another popular shape is called a Perfecto. A Perfecto cigar has a similar tapered head like a pyramid or a Bellicoso, but unlike many cigar types, the Perfecto has a pronounced bulge in its midsection and usually has a closed foot. You can find Perfectos in all different shapes and sizes. They're typically between 4.5 to 9 inches long, with a cigar ring gauge up to 48/64 of an inch. I think Perfectos just have a really boss feeling to them. So there you go. You now know the 2 most common cigar categories, which are Parejos and Figurados, and now you know the most important shapes that are found amongst those categories. So next time you go to your local cigar lounge and they're going to ask you, what type of cigar would you like? You're going to say, excuse me, sir, I will take a Churchill, or maybe a Lonsdale, or maybe a Corona. Whatever you do, I appreciate your time, and go enjoy a nice premium cigar.